Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new wireless keyboard, and it's a rechargeable wireless keyboard. The brand is iClever. It's a Chinese brand but it's a premium brand, and it's compatible with Android, Windows, Apple, Mac OS. As you can see, these are the specifications, and this is the outlook from the side shape of the keyboard. And these are the features. It's covers with multi-device connections, multi OS compatibility, scissor switch keycap, rechargeable lithium battery. So these are the things. So let's open it. Maybe I can open with the hand. I don't need any scissor this time. Yes. So this is kind of good packaging that nowadays there are some brands, they put some stickers so you don't need to use any scissor. Okay, another one. Okay, so this is the keyboard. And inside there is a charging cable. It also comes with a USB type C. So we all know that in today's all the electronic applicants, we generally use USB type C, and it's also support fast charging. And there are some user manuals. That's it from the box. So this is the keyboard. Let's uncover it. So it's a metallic body. It's a matte gray finish, metallic body, and there is a power on off button, and there is 3 channels, so you can use it in 3 wireless devices simultaneously. And yeah, the keyboard is so smooth. I think The keys are also very easy, very smooth, and you can see also that in some keypad there are both and Mac, Windows and Mac, so you can use it in both cases. And yeah, and there is the charging port, USB type C, and in the back side it's written like the importer information. Since I live in Germany, so here is the importer for Germany, their addresses and the manufacturer details. So that's it today. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.